Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, this is the micro project of subject Computer Networking and Data Communication, that is CND, with subject code 22634. The title of micro project is Smart Home Monitoring. The group members are Naik Prathamesh Ganesh, Khan Imtiaz Firoz and Khalse Mayuri Sriram. We have completed our micro project under the guidance of Professor S. N. Navle ma'am. The aim of the project is to design a smart home monitoring system using Cisco software. What is smart home? A smart home is one that uses technology to automate and control home systems. The key to home automation is the ability to remotely control your connected home from your phone, computer, and more recently virtual assistants. A smart home refers to a convenient home setup where appliances and devices can be automatically controlled remotely from anywhere with an internet connection using a mobile or other network devices. Devices in a smart home are interconnected through the internet, allowing the user to control functions such as security access to the home, temperature, lighting, and home theater remotely. How smart home works? A smart home's devices are connected with each other and can be accessed through one central point, that is a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or game console. Door locks, television, thermostat, home monitors, cameras, lights, and even appliances such as the refrigerator can be controlled through one home automation system. The system is installed on a mobile or other network devices, and the user can create time schedule for certain changes to take effect. Smart home appliances come with self-learning skills, so they can learn the homeowner's schedule and make adjustment as needed. Smart home enabled with lighting control allow homeowner to reduce electricity use and benefit from energy related cost saving. Some home automation system alerts the homeowner if any motion is detected in the home when they are away, while other can call the authorities, police or the fire department in case of emergency situation. Once connected services such as smart doorbell, smart security system, and smart appliances are all part of the Internet of Things, that is IoT technologies, a network of physical objects that can gather and share electronic information. Home automation works through a concept known as the Internet of Things or IoTs. In our home, internet-enabled devices are all connected to a central network, that is Wi-Fi network. Each of these items will be assigned a unique IP address, giving us the ability to access, monitor, and control the object or feature remotely. Let's see how is the home monitoring actually works.
Welcome home. right, let's get to work.
Hey, Roman, you freaking out?
No.
Yes, you are.
Can somebody just walk me through?
Good night.
We have seen actual concept of smart home. Let us build some systems on Cisco Packet Tracer software. This is the Cisco Packet Tracer window. First of all, we will see what is Cisco Packet Tracer. Cisco Packet Tracer software is a cross-platform visual simulation tool designed by Cisco System that allows user to create network topologies and imitate modern computer networks. The software allows the user to simulate the configuration of Cisco routers and switches using a simulated command line interfaces. Cisco Packet Tracer offers an effective interactive environment for learning networking concepts and protocols. Most importantly, Cisco Packet Tracer helps students and instructors create their own virtual network world for exploring experimentation and explanation of networking concepts and technologies. Cisco Packet Tracer has some key features such as unlimited devices, e-learning, customized single or multi-user activities, interactive environment, visualizing network, real-time mode and simulation mode, self-paced, and support majority of networking protocols. Let us see the actual simulation of smart home. The first device is the home gateway. This device is controlled by other IoT devices. Let's drag the home gateway devices in the workspace. For that, go to End Devices, select on Home, in that select Home Gateway and drag it in the workspace. Now we will design the living room. In the living room, we have ceiling fan and window. Go to End Devices, then select Home and in that select ceiling fan and drag it in the workspace. Then double click on window. Configure and in that change the display name to the ceiling fan. Then close the tab. Again go to the end device. In the home, select window, drag it in the workspace. Double click on the window. In that configure, change the display name to the window. Close the tab. In the right hand side of the workspace, go to shapes and select draw rectangle. Place fan and window in that shape and name it as a living room. To connect those devices to home gateway, we need wireless connection. For that, double click on fan, go to the configure, select advanced, in that select IO configure and then select network adapter, that is PTIoE NM1W. Now we can see that fan is connected to home gateway wirelessly. Similarly, double click on window, go to the configure, select advanced, in that select IO configure and then network adapter, that is PTIoE NM1W. Close the tab. Now we can see window is also connected to the home gateway wirelessly. Now we need a smartphone to control these devices. The first step is that to connect smartphone to the home gateway. For that, go to End Devices, in that select smartphone and drag it to the workspace. Double click on smartphone, select configure tab, in that select wireless, in that change the SSID by copying the SSID of gateway. Now the second step is to access Home Gateway. Again, double click on smartphone. In that, click on Desktop tab, select IoE monitor. Change the IP address of IoE monitor by pasting IP address of gateway in it. And then click on Login button. Now we have logged in the IoE monitor. Now double click on fan, go to the configure and change the IoE server to the home gateway. Similarly, go to the window, double click on window, go to the configure and change the IoE server of window to the home gateway. Now we can see both the devices are on the IoE monitor. Now we can control the speed of fan as well as the opening and closing of window. Courses outcomes. We are able to understand the concept of smart home. We are able to work with Cisco Packet Tracer software. We are able to build some parts of smart home applications on the software. We are able to understand main objectives of smart home. Conclusion. Hence, we have developed smart home using Cisco Packet Tracer software. We have learned the concept of smart home application. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.